Ako lang yung basahon para dali siya. So today, I want to thank God for your life. And then, truly, He has used you as
Ano ko mo, bless na lang ka si Raila.
truly He has used you as an instrument of blessing in my life. After I graduated, I honestly didn't have any plans of getting a job. I just want to rest and enjoy. But when I had a desire to join mission school and then I didn't have the money to pay for the registration fee. I prayed and asked God to make a way for me to earn money. And then, in His perfect timing, He answered that prayer through you. And that is something I will always treasure in my heart. Minsan ba, dilita ka nung dili ko close ako mga auntie ba? Ma-feel ako love so sa ka-auntie mo. I also thank God that even the short time we worked together, our relationship never felt like just work. It never felt like just a superior. You remained my aunt, and I truly felt your love, care, and encouragement. And it means so much. Your life has been a testimony of faith and perseverance. Hearing your stories, how you endured hardships and did everything, even selling ice candy, just to provide for your family, has deeply inspired me. In moments when I felt like giving up, I remember your journey, and it reminds me that my struggles are small and that I should keep on going. Like, makita na to karon na grabe ang pag-pour sa blessing, sa Ginoo sa mga kinabuhi. Nahin mo siya, inspiration ako even. To the point na nag-hesitate ako na mag-continue dali. Yeah. Even yung ko na ikaya niya. Ganahan kung apply yung kanang virtual assistant kay kanang marag na paano ko ba na dili na ko kanina feel kay marag exhausting kayo para na ko, especially na kanang dili kay ko hilig na muwato mga daghang ng mga tao, and then kanang sa remind ko sa story ni Monte how you endured hardships na ni-persevere ka kanang marag nakawan ko nga kagamay ra sa problema na dali kay ko mo give up. As you enter this new season of your life, I pray that God will continue to bless you, guide you, and fill your days with joy, peace, and good health. May He reward all the love, sacrifices, and faith you have poured out through the years. Thank you for everything. You will always be a blessing to me and to everyone, and I pray that you will continue to be a blessing to everyone who comes your way as you begin another journey in your life. Thank you.
What ko idea mo, kids, from your family?
You know, it's very difficult to find the right words today because how can you capture a lifetime of dedication, sacrifices, and love for education for just few minutes? Huh? To everyone else here, she's a teacher, she's a mentor, she's a colleague, even she's a second mom. But for me personally, you are everything behind the scenes where a lot of people don't get to see. You're the early mornings when the world is still asleep, where you prepare your lessons, amo ang breakfast, even watering the plants nga murag sagbot, minsan watching the sunrise to remind yourself again and again na this is another day, another headache, another classroom. You're the silent nights, gabi, kana take check o mga papers, take plan, worrying about her students, nga as if they become her children too. You're that kind of person, mga, who always carries not just your responsibilities, but also the hopes and the struggles of your students, generational students. Again, 15 years na magkadaring at Tinur. We're so grateful. Actually, nag-draft ko din niya. Ako na lang pong basahon niya. Hangyo lang ko ni mo ay hilang kay. Vulnerable rin ako basta mo hilang ka sa akong tubangan. Also, I've heard stories today sa akong mama na there are past students niya na mo reach out to someone and then telling them how passionate my mom is, how her lessons that she taught them, changed them because she's the first person who believed in them. And I think that is the greatest achievement in your life, not titles, not your 15 years of service, but the way you changed a lot of lives of young generations here in this school. Building confidence, planting kindness sa kalibutan. I think that is your greatest achievements in life, not titles. Nya ako lang sang i-recap ang iingon ni Pas ganina nga also one of your greatest achievement is a life faithfully lived in Christ. And yet despite all of that burden sa iyang kinabuhi, despite all of that sacrifices nga iyang gihatag sa amo for us to be these better versions of ourselves, you came home and were still my mom. And I hate you for it. I hate you for being altruistic gani nga pagkamama gani nga bisag igutom gud siya gud mo na siya nga ay mo naay ginang pagkaon if padung na ko maghilabot may ko mama nakakaon bisag wa siya kaon may suingon siya nga o kana lang na wa mo gigutom. And sometimes I hate mom for being too altruistic that she prioritizes my siblings' welfare more than hers. And I appreciate it. Di mo daw you still found a way to be present, to care, to support, even to give when wala na jud kay hatag. And I want you to know that those moments, those sacrifices, they never went unnoticed. And we are who we are today because of you. Today, as you close this chapter, I don't see it as an ending. I see it as a moment where the world finally gives back to you. You know, time to rest, time to enjoy, and time to live for yourself as in the way that you've always lived for others. But one thing will never change. You will always be a teacher. Because the kind of impact you've made doesn't retire. The life you've touched as a teacher here in this school. Mom, I am beyond proud of you. Not just for your career, but for your heart, your strength, your quiet and wavering love. You know, being here with the faculty, I felt how bravely saddening it is for my mom to retire. The warmth I feel when I step back sa kanina school with your fellow teachers reminded me that this school is already your second home. So it's very saddening for me to know that you will already be retiring from this school. Past taught us a while ago about 2 Timothy, and I want to rephrase it for you. You have fought the good fight, you have finished the race, you have kept the faith. Thank you for everything you've done for your students, for your colleagues, and most especially for us, imong mga anak. This is not goodbye. This is simply a flipping of page. And wherever life takes you next, I know one thing for sure. You've already left a mark that time will never erase. Congrats.
Manoy Ikim! Manoy Ikim!
I was not prepared. I was not informed. I don't have much words to say. Wapo ko'y altruistic vocabulary. I'm personally grateful for Karkar Christian School, for Karkar Evangelical Free Church. Thank you very much, Pastor, and the members of this church, the teachers. Thank you so much for this opportunity that you have given my mother to feel loved. So I know for sure her heart is full right now. Words could never express what she's feeling right now. So thank you very much from the bottom of my heart, and for sure of my siblings and my father's hearts as well. So for Mama, sorry, thank you. Yeah, she's one of my inspirations. I'm also a teacher myself. I've taught for so many years, and the many years that I've learned and I've improved as a teacher, she is the foundation. She's the anchor. She's the reason why I pursued. I never liked being a teacher at first. When I studied, I did not want to become one. I was forced to take up teaching. But when I started teaching, I remember how she touched lives, and I remember the students, and because she's a good teacher. Wouldn't you agree? So she's able to make students read, those who are
Yes.
non-readers. It's amazing how she's able to do that, and so that became my inspiration as well to excel in teaching. And so thank you, Ma, for showing me how to be a good teacher. Me right now, I'm no longer teaching, but I carry on the learnings that I've learned from you as a teacher. Being a teacher for, I don't know, maybe 15 years I was able to teach. So it's been a long time also. So thank you very much. And as you retire, you'll live more now. Hilaan ka ni Zion wherever you want. Okay, just tell him. Si Zion, so enjoy life. You will enjoy much more about life with your apo, with us. You'll have more time with us. Okay, you can visit us anytime para tayo mo bantay ni Luffy. So, thank you very much, Ma, and thank you very much once again to the Karkar Christian School family and the Evangelical Free Church family. Thank you so much. I'm grateful. Thank you.
Si Nico. Nico Pichan.
Okay, go.
Kasi niya, si Papa na lang po last. Huwag mo nung nila. Pinbot ko na, Glenna o Arian, tuyo ko talaga. Di ba ito? Di lang ko mag-English, kay English, kasi lang makansing ko. Ito, nasulti naman nila tanang sakripisyo na nabuhat ni Mama, ni Papa, especially ni Mama. And we're here man to celebrate ba kung sa'y nabuhat ni Mama sa kini na eskwelahan, kini na church. Kana mo to, mga ko na ako karon diri, thank you for the opportunity kay makapangayo ko pasalamat sa inyo ha, mga co-teachers, mga pastor, and sa family niya diri, thankful kay ko kay again, this is the second home. Mas daghan pag inig time di ba diri kay uli magluto na lang, kapoy na, mag-chill na. Pero ang most of the time niya naadjud diri. Kay nagon sige naman may hanggat ug laa kaning mama usahay kanang mga Sundays after church malaag ta. Hindi pa na po ko'y buhaton para sa school or mama laag ta ni na adlaw pwede ra ka mo leave. Di ko pwede mo leave kay di pa na ilaing makuan kay naghunahuna siya sa mga estudyante. Naghunahuna siya sa mga teachers iyang kon. Sa iyang trabaho mismo. So inana siya ka good example sa mga managsuon sa kana everyday wala jud nay hunong mo ni kung makita sa iya na inspiration na wala jud hunong pag-read sa Word of God. Mo na pinaka-importante na mo natong di malimtan ba na in every season we maghilak siya permi mo jud niya mo carry out sa ni God permi kung unsa man ang iyang good wins unsa man iyang gipang-pray ni God. So she is a good example sa mo and I know that she is a good example sa kini na eskwelahan. O kana mapiyaan niya kini na eskwelahan ng legacy. Kung may bawaan na si Teacher Esther, kana strong kana personality, may kana siya ng teacher. And kana so thankful sa imo mama kay na-realize na ko unsa day dito naman na-realize actually na nanakoy bata. Ko la disura ni pagpadakog bata no. Disura man day kana ako'y pinakabugoy, ako'y pinakabadlungon. How much more di ba na kay mga estudyanteng gipang tudluan. Dito na ako ka-realize, grabiha di inana na trabaho. Na dili lalim siya magtudlo. So, once again, thank you and thank you for everyone sa Carcar Christian School.